How to use Printful with Amazon. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to use Printful and then we'll teach you later on how you could connect it to your Amazon store. Printful is a popular print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell custom design products online. By integrating Printful with Amazon, you could easily set up an e-commerce business and start selling your unique merchandise to a wider audience. In this beginner guide, we'll walk you through the steps of using Printful and then teach you how you could integrate all your products that you have created in Printful to your Amazon store. Now, let's get started. Now, currently, I am in Printful, as you can see here, and we will be using this platform to create a dropshipping business or a print-on-demand business on our Amazon over here. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, create an account in Printful. It's not difficult. You could log in or create your account with socials such as Facebook, Google, and Apple, and you will be able to easily open an account over here. Now, as you can see, this is their homepage. The different products that you could create with Printful are over here. As you can see, the new products available right now are mugs, travel mugs, like a print-on-demand bandana, premium t-shirt over here, and all of this stuff. You have your eco-friendly products over here, your premium products, your bestsellers, men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and youth clothing, hats, accessory, and home living over here. There's also collections, brands, and my favorites over here. You will be able to use all of those different products that we saw earlier to be able to create a design for you to sell on Amazon. You could also sell on other platforms, not just Amazon, and you will be able to connect them later on. So I'm going to teach you first how you could create a product in Printful. As you can see right now, I am in the product section of Printful, and we're going to check out or find a product that we would like to create a design for. As you can see here, we have our suggested for us. We have the t-shirt as a suggested, subliminated towel, and a print, all over print drawstring bag over here. You could move this around to see more options that we have. Let's see if there's any product that we would like to create. We're going to check out like a best-selling product, because best-selling means these are the product that people are buying the most. So we're going to check that out. We're going to look for men's clothing. We're going to open this. And we're going to check out if there is a filter that we could use. As you can see, we have filters over here. So we're going to go with the most popular over here. Now, this is the most popular or the best-selling products, the best-selling items that they have. So we're going to create a design for our unisex heavy blend hoodie over here. We're going to click this and we will be able to create a design over here. Now, before we start with creating a design, we're first going to see like a preview of the item so that we would see what it would look like. As you can see here, we have the preview. And now over here on the right side, we could see the different reviews. How many reviews has it garnered? There's over 1,900 reviews over here. You could choose the technique of your design. You could have it embroidered or digital printing. There are different rules though for embroidery, so be careful. But if you don't want to use embroidery, you could also have digital printing, which is like the basic printing for designs. So for us, we're going to go with the standard embroidery, and we're going to go with standard, or you could have unlimited color over here, depending on your design. It depends on you. And then over here, it's going to ask you to choose the embroidery color. We could click this, and we're going to choose it over here. For us, we're going to go with the black as our jacket color over here. So later on, when we produce our design, we will be able to choose the embroidery color that we are going to use. And over here, we can choose the size. We're going to go with maybe large. And over here, we can see the price and estimated time of delivery to the location of whatever you would choose. As you can see, it will take 14 to 16 days to reach the Philippines. And the shipping starts at $16.99. So that's a bit expensive. You can also see the pricing for the different digitization over here. These are the different pricing. As you can see here, you can check this out if you would like. You can also see like embroidery types over here, like the rules and what it can produce. As you can see here, the minimum thickness is 1.3 millimeter. So be careful and read those files properly when you're creating your designs. You could also check out the description of the product, the shipping description over here, the file guidelines, availability in this section, and like the source over here. So we're going to create our unique product template over here. We're going to click product template, And we're going to see this page wherein we will be able to start designing our product. As you can see here, this is where we will see our template or like our product over here. This is where we can put our design. We could put designs on the left chest, large center, left wrist over here if you would like, right wrist, back, outside, and outside label over here. So we're going to go with center chest or large center over here. And over here on the left side, we're going to zoom out a bit so that we can see. Over here on the left side, you can see that this is the product description, like the technique, what we saw earlier. And over here, we could have layers. If we would like to have layers on our design, we could upload our designs over here. Be careful with your designs because there are limitations to embroidery files. You could also add text over here, like clip arts, quick designs, and all of those options. You could also hire a designer from Fiverr if you would like. Now, although the designer or the elements available in Printful is very good, I suggest that you use a different platform to create your design. One example is Canva. In Canva, there are hundreds of thousands of different elements that you could use. So this is a very good platform to be able to create amazing designs. So we're going to create a design over here. We're going to choose a random template for now, and we have a square design over here. And over here on the elements, this is where you can select or choose from hundreds and thousands of different elements that you could combine into a t-shirt design. So right now, we're going to focus on a topic. We're going to think of a category that we would like to create a design of. For me, I'm trying to think of maybe waves. So we're going to type in waves. And as you can see here, we have different elements for waves that we could choose from in this section. You could choose this one. For example, we have this Japanese wave design. I know a lot of t-shirt design already has this design, but we're going to use this as like an example or like a design just to show you how it works. So this is what our design is going to be. We could add more elements to this. For example, we could have borders, typing that, and we could search this all, and we could see different borders available for us. We could use this as like a border for our design. We could put it over there. And we could have another border. We're going to look for a good border that we could add in addition to this one. Or we can simply go back again and like duplicate this. Instead, we're going to use the other version and we're going to rotate it to 180 degrees. And just like that, and we could put it over here. And now we have just created a very simple design. It's not much, but you get the point. You have a lot of elements over here that can expand your creativity. You have hundreds and thousands of elements depending on your topic, and you could use Canva because Canva is one of the best designer in the internet. So we're going to use this for now. We're going to click on share. Actually, we're going to change our design because the embroidery will not allow that. So we're going to go with another topic, maybe moon instead, because the moon is bigger so that the embroidery would have a harder time. So we're going to select a moon that we would like. Example, this one, we could do this over here, make this bigger, just like that. And we're going to settle with this one for now. We're going to center it, just like that. And now we're going to click on share, download, and we're going to download it without a background. So click on download, and we're going to wait for it to finish downloading, just like that. And we're going to go back to Printful. And now we're going to upload our design over here. We're going to wait for the pop-up to appear. Just like that. And now we're going to upload our design. We're going to upload a new file. Click on the design that we have just downloaded from Canva. We're going to wait for it to finish downloading, and we have our design over here. As you can see here also, you could see your recently used file in this section. Now we're going to wait for it to finish uploading. And as you can see, we have successfully uploaded our design. We're simply going to click on apply so that we will be able to add it to our design over here. We seem to have made a mistake, so we're going to change the product color of our jacket over here to white instead so that we will be able to see our design properly. And as you can see, we have our design over here. So we're going to select this. We can make this bigger, just like this. And now we have a bigger design. And after that, you could add more layers. Actually, you could add more designs if you would like. For example, we could add another design, maybe this one over here. Click on upload, and now we have 2 layers of design into our design over here. So I'm going to change it to black so that it fits the design, just like that. And I'm going to move this below. I'm going to make this a smaller version. I'm going to see it just like that. And now we could put it in the middle, just like that. Just a very small design that we have, like an additional design. And then after doing that, we can simply click on calculate price to be able to see how much this would cost. And as you can see, this is the pricing range right now. And after doing that, we're going to click on products. And after that, we're going to click on continue. And now over here, we will be able to preview our design. You could add your title over here. Product colors are black and white. Embroidery is the technique. Thread colors are large center flat embroidery. Print file is large center over here. And you could see the different sizes over here. You can select more sizes if you would like, just like this. And we could save the product template just like that. And now we have successfully created our first product in Printful. Now, how do we connect it with our Amazon store over here? To be able to connect it to your Amazon store or any store in particular, you have to go to stores over here on the left side. And then you're going to connect it over here. As you can see, you could choose platform over here. And you have Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, all of these different platforms. And you can see Amazon in this section. You can simply click on connect. And over here, you can register for an Amazon Seller Center account over here. And you're simply going to create your Amazon account over here and connect it through this section by following the steps over here. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use Printful with Amazon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.